Welcome dear viewers, as promised in my croquette video, I am here for you with another simple Dutch dish. Kibbeling, battered and fried fish which is a tasty snack. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Kibbeling, like lekkerbek, another Dutch fish snack, is embedded in the Dutch maritime culture. The Dutch naval history dates back to the 15th century and Dutch explorers sailed to different corners of the world. Kibbeling started out as salted waste bits of the codfish known as cod cheeks. These were battered and fried by fishermen as a tasty snack. Later on it became popular in other parts of the Netherlands. It's similar to the fish and chips from England. Let's start with the recipe. The ingredients are about 300 grams of fish. I use basa or pangasius fish here. 1 egg, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 a cup of flour, 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 a teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 of a teaspoon and a 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We begin by taking the fish fillet chunks and then dry them in between kitchen towels. The fish must be absolutely dry for this recipe. Next, we season the dry fish with 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 of a teaspoon and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Then, add 2 tablespoons of flour and finally mix well to coat the fish with the spices. Now, let's make the batter. I add 1/2 a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a bowl. Then I add 1/2 a cup of water and then crack an egg and mix the batter well. Let's begin to cook. I dip the spice-coated fish chunks into the batter and make sure that the fish is coated well. Then I proceed to shallow fry the fish in oil. I fry it on medium-high heat until the kibbeling is a nice golden brown color. Finally, it's time to enjoy your kibbeling. It is usually accompanied by mayonnaise or tartar sauce.
Share, like and subscribe to see more of my videos, and remember, I am with you. Regards.